Gliclazide is a medicine known as a sulfonylurea. It's used to treat type 2 diabetes. It works by increasing the amount of insulin your pancreas makes. This will lower your blood sugar. In type 2 diabetes, your body either doesn't make enough insulin or makes insulin that doesn't work properly, which causes high blood sugar, which is also known as hyperglycemia. Gliclazide is available on prescription. Gliclazide can sometimes make your blood sugar level too low, which can affect your concentration. If this happens, you should avoid activities like driving until you feel better. Some people find that they put on weight when they take Gliclazide. Try to eat a healthy, balanced diet to help with this. What medication would you like covering next?